Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Linktree on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, and once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on the way on how to use Linktree on Instagram. Now first thing you need to do is go to the web and search for Linktree. And you want to make sure that it's linktr.ee and click on the official website for Linktree. And once you're in the Linktree website, you can scroll down, and in this part, you can click on Get Started for free and create your account. And enter a password. Select a plan you want to use for your Linktree, and I'm using free, and click on Continue. And you can see that your email is not verified yet, so you will go to your email and click on the verification link. Once your account has been verified, you can go back to the Linktree admin and click on Add Link. Here you can type in your link you want to create. And you can also edit the links or add a title. Go to Appearance, and in this page right here, you may select different kinds of themes for your Linktree. And once you've selected a theme, you can go back to the Linktree admin and click on Preview. And now this is how your Linktree looks like after selecting a theme, and click on the share button on the upper right corner. Click on Copy. So what you're going to do is to go back to the web and search for Bitly. Click on the Bitly website. May create an account to get started. Here you can start pasting the link from Linktree. We are going to shorten this. So click on Create. Once the link has shortened, go to your Instagram account and go to your profile. Click on Edit Profile and click on Add Link. Click on Add External Link and paste on the link from Bitly. Click Check, and the Bitly link is on your bio. Try clicking it, and this will appear on the link. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay updated for more tutorials.